Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on this pressure washer. What we're going to do for it today is, is it's very dirty, so we're going to just check to see if it works. I mean, we have a wand that's already broken there, so I don't know. We'll see how much leaks, but first we need to give it a nice good clean before we can see if it runs. And the tires are kind of like broken from the rim, so what we're going to do is we're going to seal the tires, fill them with air, and then give it a nice good wash. And then we'll go through and see what it looks like on the inside. So let's start with sealing those tires, okay? All right, I'm going to use the Steelman's all-purpose inner liner sealer. It's this black goopy stuff, and I think it's going to hold the seam in pretty good. It's thick and it's goopy, but I'm going to pick it up a little bit, like so, and then I'm just going to put it on the inner rim here, like this, okay? And it's kind of yucky, but I think it should seal that rim a little good. Okay, there we go. All right, so it's a little bit dirty, but I'm going to seal it, and then we're going to do it the same to the other side as well. And I think that's going to hold the air much better. So I'm just going to go around the rim, and it's messing up my brush, so we'll clean it off when we're done. But I'm put it between the inner tube. I mean the tire, the tubeless tire here, and then we're just going to use a lot of it, and then we're just going to fill up with air. So let's go get some air, okay? So I got my air gauge. Then we're going to take off the fill, and then we're going to see if we can get some air in this thing. And see if we can seal it between the inner tube and the tire too. Oh, looks like there's an inner tube in here. Okay. Maybe there's a hole in the inner tube. There we go. Let's see. There we go. See, all right, that's good. And let's see how, if not, I'll put some sealer inside of it in the tire as well, and hopefully that holds together. We'll do the other side and hope for the best. Okay, I hope so. Okay guys, I was just thinking, you know what, I'll wash it after we're done. Let's go over a few of the things and see if we can get it running good. So what I'll do is I'll take the air cleaner off and take a look at that, and that looks pretty brand new. Yeah, that looks pretty clean. So they said it wasn't running long, but that's probably true. I mean, that's about as clean as I've ever seen it. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go through it and clean it, and then we'll probably clean it all off and get rid of the dust before we return it to the person, so they get a nice, clean working product. There we go. So clean that off. Let's go over here, take a look at the other part. We're going to take the oil out, and yeah, that oil looks clean. That's clean oil. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the plug out. Let's take a look at the plug, and if the plug looks good, then we just got to think that it's just been sitting around. And the oil level looks good too, I think. I mean, the oil level looks like it's okay. So, you know what? Yeah, you know what? We might just want to I'm not even going to bother checking that. Let's just put some fuel in it, and then see if she'll run, huh? How about that? And then if it does, then we'll give it a quick tune-up and we'll send it down the way. And that will be one of the easiest things that we've done, is just fixing the tires. And the tires seem fine right now. They're holding plenty of air. So let's do that. Other than a wand here that is totally broken. But I don't know if that's really even broken. I think that's more bent than broken. Oh. Okay, that's broken now. Yep. Oh yeah, that's broken. So we'll have to fix that. Definitely fix that. That sucks. All right, we'll have to fix that. Okay, so. All right, guys. Off camera, it didn't run like I said I was gonna try. So off camera, I took the carburetor apart, cleaned out the jet because it was all clogged, cleaned out the emulsion tube, and basically clean out the bolt because there's a lot of varnish in it. Not actual rust this time, but varnish. So I cleaned everything out, put it together. I just fired it up with the water hose connected. I don't have a hose, but you can see that there's water leaking because I just hooked up water to it, and she started, and she ran great. So I think that should be good enough for that one. So we'll return this one, let it dry out, and then we'll return it back to the my friend, and they should have a good power washer once they get a new wand for it, because like I said, the wand is broken, so we'll have to go from there. So thank you again for subscribing. Have a great day, and see you on another video. Take care now.